Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanam Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shishimanandamai ki Jai. Jai Ma. Everybody Jai Ma. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I'm trying to show you paneer masala. It is basically Andhra style. Andhra food is always very, very spicy. South mein jo hai Andhra. But I'm trying not to make it so spicy because we can't eat such spicy food. So we will begin the process and one by one I'll show you what needs to be done. Kya kya hota hai, because it's a long process, but I'm trying to shorten it so that it becomes easier for you to understand. So let's begin.
Jai Ma.
Jai Ma, Jai Ma. Okay, Bharti is at work now. So, see, this is the paneer. I have taken 400 grams of paneer and cut it into cubes. First, we'll marinate this. Isko hai na, thoda hing daliye, little bit of hing. Little bit of red chilli powder. Little bit of turmeric, haldi, and tel. All the measurements I have given in the description box, so you don't have to worry. बस है तेल. अभी इसको मिक्स करके आप साइड पे रख दीजिए. Mix it nicely. सब जगह सब लग जाना चाहिए. So I'm showing you one by one process क्या होता है, कैसे करते हैं. इसको साइड पे रख दो बस. अब है ना, you take your mortar and pestle. ये अदरक है, ginger cubes. Take a big piece of ginger. I've taken 3 chillies, green chillies. And main thing in Andhra food is ginger has to be a lot. So I've taken a big piece of ginger. Then you put little salt in it and इसको है ना मोटर पेसल में आप इसको ग्राइंड करिए, मतलब उसको कूट कूट के बनाइए. दैट टेस्ट इज वेरी नाइस. सो शी इज डूइंग इट नाउ. ऐसे उसको कूटना पड़ता है. See, this is ground like this. ऐसे करके आप रहने दीजिए. So this is all the prep we are doing. Preparation for the actual dish. Okay, now we are heating this pan. And we have to dry roast a few things. So this is fennel, soft. Now you see this properly. 1 चम्मच अगर सौंफ है तो आधा चम्मच जीरा है. वेयर इज जीरा? 1 मिनट, जीरा लेने दे भारती. 1 चम्मच जीरा डालिए. आधा चम्मच जीरा. Proportion is like that. Then you take cloves. 4-5 क्लोव्स डालिए. मेजरमेंट्स एग्जैक्ट आपको मिलेंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. So if I forget or I make a mistake, you can check it out there. Then you take 1 piece, I'm just cracking it, of cinnamon, दालचीनी, and you take, I'm putting the gas on slow वरना जल जाएगा. Then you take 1 tablespoon of khus, poppy seeds. Now if you don't have khuskhus in the house, you can eliminate, but khuskhus का स्वाद बहुत अच्छा आता है. So you take that and then mix. Let it roast nicely. See, उसकी खुशबू आ रही है. The fragrance is fabulous. in case it burns, the trick is, supposing whilst doing it, आपका जल गया. Immediately take it out from the frying pan, put it in a bowl, and immediately put salt in it. So that cooking process stops. That's the trick. So I'm not trying to burn it, so I don't have to put salt. खुशबू जब तक नहीं आए ना तब तक go on cooking. Now see, it's still cooking. So what I'm going to do is put some salt. कहाँ गया salt? इधर ही है. Otherwise it's burning. And we have to remember that we put salt everywhere. Okay, now once it cools off, we have to grind it. Mixie करके इसको एकदम powder बनाना है. See, put it in the mixer now and we make it into a powder. Now that paneer is marinated, so we will fry it in oil. तेल डालिए. पनीर. डाल दो, सब साथ में डाल दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Now lightly we have to saute it, not like really fry it, थोड़ा हल्का हल्का फ्राई करना है. और पनीर को है ना मैंने पानी में रखा था. दिस इज दैट पनीर वाटर विच आई विल यूज इन द ग्रेवी. नाउ व्हाई डिड आई पुट इट इन वाटर? बिकॉज देन द पनीर रिमेन्स सॉफ्ट. इफ यू डोंट पुट इट इन वाटर इट बिकम्स वेरी हार्ड. तो हम लोग फ्रिज में अगर रखते हैं तो यू हैव टू पुट अ लिटिल वाटर एंड पुट द पनीर. दैट्स व्हाई सी दिस पनीर इज सो सॉफ्ट. यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल वरना वो टूट जाएगा. Now you put the pan on the heat and then तेल डालिए. 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee. Mix the two. Then once that is done, you put 1 star anise, jeera, lots of curry patta, lots. Then I have left some behind, वो बाद में मैं यूज करूँगी. Then this masala that we had done, rolled in, the ginger chilli, then mix it. Stir it nicely. Then I have chopped capsicum. 1 capsicum. छोटा छोटा chop करके रखिए. Throw that in. Stir. Saute it nicely. Now once the capsicum थोड़ा बहुत हो जाता है ना, then you put धनिया powder, red chilli powder, mix again, Then you take, I've taken 4 tomatoes. कच्चा टमाटर है, मतलब blanch I did not do. I just took raw tomatoes, 4 tomatoes, and I mixied it. उसका प्यूरे बनाया. So this is that. Now because it is raw, the tomatoes, we have to cook it nicely till the oil separates. In this I am adding chopped chillies. You can take 2, 3, whatever you want. Mix it. For the tomatoes to cook, it will take a while. Now the tomatoes are done, so I will throw in the paneer water, as much as you need, and mix. We need a little bit of gravy, so I need some more. See, I've taken that water. अब इसको मिक्स करिए. See, little paneer is floating. I've kept the flame on high. Now, as it goes on stirring, I'll put that सूखा मसाला, वो जो हमने पाउडर बनाया था ना, of all the fennel and all that. 1, 2 tablespoons. And stir. It smells so good, friends. जय माँ जय माँ, बहुत अच्छी खुशबू है. It's South Indian style, you know. Generally पनीर लोग जो है वो North Indian style बनाते हैं. And all. Somebody had asked me this question कि गुजराती भी पनीर बनाते हैं क्या? गुजराती I don't know पनीर बनाते हैं कि नहीं, बनाते होंगे, but this is, you know, South Indian style. Now I will add the paneer. With the oil, you throw it in. Then you mix. Wow, looks good. I think I need more water. Dalchini. It looks so good. And it smells so good, divine. Let me throw in some water. And check the salt, because मैंने salt नहीं डाला इसलिए because you know we had put salt in the masala, we had put salt in that ginger chili paste that we made. So later you can check the salt and see if you need more. That's why I haven't put the salt. Now once you do this, you put in a lot of hara dhania, coriander. Okay. Mix. Then you take all the curry patta on top and throw it in. And lastly, what we need to do is, ऊपर से you have to throw in lime juice. Add that. I've taken one whole lime and you add the juice. And it's ready, good to go. See. and you switch off the flame. So your paneer masala is ready, and you can have it with rice, like steamed rice. You can have it with paratha, whatever. I'm sweating, it's very hot. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you'll try making it. Jai Ma. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Punaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shri Shimanandamai ki Jai. Jai Ma. Jai Ma.